Hello, my name is Alexander Freund. I serve as the product manager for Mold and Die. I want to tell you about new capabilities in NX-Chem. Our newly introduced adaptive milling roughing toolpath will give our users the capability to create toolpaths that remain a consistent chip thickness throughout the complete toolpath, while using the complete flute length of your tools. This is especially very useful for milling hard materials like Inconel or titanium. Through maintaining a consistent chip thickness and having reduced cutting forces throughout the complete toolpath, it is possible to emphasize high feeds and speeds throughout the complete toolpath. Depending on the part geometry, reducing of machining time up to 60% can be realized. While having the benefit of reduced machining times, NX-Chem adaptive milling can also help you to save tool costs through an up to 4 times longer tool life. Connecting to the cut motions with the new low-height transfer moves makes it even more efficient. The tool does lift just slightly in tool axis direction to position the tool for the next cut without scratching the floor. Very beneficial for our users are not only our works for the different cut patterns, but also the smoothing projects for the non-cutting moves. Besides smoothing the transfer move corners, NX-Chem can also smoothen the engage and retract motions. Depending on the part geometry, significant reducing of machining time up to 15% can be achieved. The new cut plane transfer gives the user the option to maintain a constant Z height between cutting passes. The cut plane transfer type can improve overall surface accuracy by avoiding machine lifts. This is particularly effective for zig, profile and follow part cut patterns which employ open passes. With these enhancements, machining time will be reduced and the surface quality of parts will be significantly improved.